Let's see how to calculate age in Excel. You have to write the function deaddiff. Here we have to give 3 arguments. First argument is date of birth, comma. Second argument is today's date. We have to press F4 to freeze it. Then you have to mention year. So we wanted years, that's why we are mentioning Y, bracket complete, and press enter. And just flash fill it. Second method to calculate the age is, you have to write again here is equal to deaddiff. In bracket, again you have to put the 3 arguments. First argument is for date of birth. Then second argument you have to take today function. And third argument you have to take, we have to mention it in years, that's why we are taking in inverted comma Y, inverted comma complete, and bracket complete, and enter, and just flash fill it. It's done.